unboxing video. I got some Beyond hamburger from shopbeyondmeat.com, and I wanted to show you. So whenever you open it, it tells you who packed it, and tells you all the stuff that's in it. Oh, that's pretty cool. I actually like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got a box of dry ice. That's pretty smart. And here is our Beyond Beef patties. We got 2 boxes of 10, so it's 20 burgers for about 40 bucks. And they showed up in 2 days, so that's pretty good.
Still frozen.
Take a look at these. As you can see, these are still very much frozen. So that's awesome. Dry ice definitely did its job. These things are pretty fat too, look at that. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I just wanted to do an unboxing because I was looking for one whenever I ordered this and I couldn't find one. So, unboxing of Beyond Meat Cookout Classic Plant Burgers. I don't know if you've had the Beyond Meat hamburgers, but they are really good. They've saved me from cheating a few times. So, we're gonna stick with these babies. Anyway, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy!